Ghaziabad. The closing ceremony of the Model United Nations Conference was held on the 30th of January 2026 in Police Modern School Vaishali. The ceremony marked the successful conclusion of 2 days of intense debates, diplomacy and discussion on the agenda of providing education to each and all. The program began with the national anthem. It starts with an open debate of all delegates and draft resolutions. The Secretary General of the conference expressed gratitude to the chairpersons, delegates, faculty advisors, and organizing committee for their dedication and teamwork. This was followed by brief reflections from committee chairs, who highlighted the quality of debates, well researched arguments, and cooperative spirit shown by the delegates. One of the most awaited moments of the ceremony was dance presentation on Vande Mataram and the award distribution. Certificates and trophies were presented to delegates who demonstrated outstanding leadership, diplomacy, and public speaking skills. Awards such as Best Delegate, Outstanding Delegate, and Honorable Mention were conferred amid loud applause. Principal Prachi Jan motivated students to carry forward the values of dialogue, critical thinking, and global responsibility learned through Model United Nations. The speech emphasized the importance of youth participation in solving real-world problems and becoming responsible global citizens. The closing ceremony left everyone inspired and proud, making the Model United Nations Conference a memorable and enriching experience for all participants.
Percent of disadvantaged students achieve top performance, proving equity and excellence.
India, and they are against our new UGC set of rules. So what would you like to say about it?
About to the missing girls. Why do adolescent girls in certain communities disappear from school in Sri Lanka? Is the education system adequately addressing menstrual health, sexual harassment?
Research.
Despite allocating 6.5% of GDP to education, 80% of schools remain under-resourced and with infrastructure deficits, including inadequate sanitation, electricity, and digital connectivity.
National Education Policy 2020 India has shifted focus from rote learning to critical thinking, multilingual education, and holistic development, ensuring no child is left behind due to language, gender, disability, or socioeconomic.
Rule violations are officially recorded in student life records and can directly affect future opportunities. How does your government ensure that rehabilitated students are not permanently excluded from education and can reintegrate?
2025 digital education in the USA is no longer just about remote learning. It is about building a hyper-personalized AI-driven ecosystem, immersive learning, and future-ready skills. The US is pioneering the use of XR, extended reality, AR, and VR.
We should learn from World War II, which led to the establishment of UNESCO, an emphasis on education as a foundation for peace. How does the delegation of Japan view quality and inclusive education as a preventive tool against conflict and extremism in today's world?
2026, and it implemented on 13th January of this month. We know that EOC, Equal Opportunity Centers, in which every colleges or universities must establish an EOC to provide academic and financial guidance to disadvantaged this group, such as SC, STs, and OBCs.
Frequently position itself as a global leader in human rights and education, yet it remains the only UN member state that has not ratified the UN Convention on the Right of the Child. How does the delegation justify promoting education for all while refusing to legally commit to international standards that guarantee children's rights?
Irrespective of their identity, Italy recognizes challenges with its own borders despite a 97% primary enrollment rate and nearly 99% literacy. Early school dropout remains a concern, particularly among students from disadvantaged backgrounds. This understanding drives Italy to strengthen inclusive and targeted educational responses to support marginalized and rural children. It
you know what is MUN? But no one was aware about this term, even teachers also. One or two teachers were aware, but they also think that MUN in different way. But in my imagination, it was completely different. That time, I noticed that our students are not confident. They had complex. They had we are inferior from other school students. They felt that these GPS, Cambridge, MIT, they are famed school, and we are not in competition with them. That time I realized, and I tried for that. No, I just want to see my student in next 3 years at that position. That they will be confident. They can compete with any school. And this time, when I'm seeing this last 2 days, your preparation, your hard work, your efforts, and my colleagues from DPS, Cambridge, MIT, yesterday I received a call from those principals. Those were appreciating, Prachi, you are doing well. Your students are doing very well. Next time, we also will conduct this MUN in our school only, not inter-school. Clearly, jealousy was also there in their tones. But they all appreciated a lot. They all appreciated. They were told, you did in school only because they all are used to do MUN in their school. But they told next year we also will conduct in school only so that maximum number of students can participate in MUN. Otherwise in school, only inter-school is there, so other school participate only, but in the same school, way of speaking, it all was wonderful. I really thankful to Bagli ma'am that she has given me this wonderful, talented team. You all are so talented, especially international press team. They all have done beyond my imagination. They worked on that. I can't explain. I told to Promila ma'am also, ma'am, why don't you make this PMS times in this way? Our students are doing it. You can't do that. So I told her, just ask from students and you have to do this in the same way. So this is जब भी कोई बेटा teacher, if any student is doing better than teacher, it's a proud moment for teacher. Our students are doing better than us. This great feeling each and every person who is related with teaching profession want to feel. We want to feel कि one time after when we will get from school.
न्यूज लाइव टुडे की विशेष रिपोर्ट।